2026 Hyundai Santa Fe SEL. This SUV is better than I expected. The Hyundai Santa Fe has been turning heads since its bold redesign for the 2024 model year, and the 2026 SEL trim continues to impress with its unique blend of style, practicality, and value. Let's dive into what makes this SUV stand out in a crowded market. Exterior design. The Santa Fe's distinctive exterior styling is a breath of fresh air in the mid-size SUV segment. Its boxy silhouette and prominent front grille make a strong statement, while the SEL trim adds features like 18 inches alloy wheels, providing a balance of style and ride comfort, LED headlights and taillights, enhancing visibility and adding a modern touch, body-colored door handles and side mirrors, creating a cohesive and upscale look. Interior comfort and technology. Inside the Santa Fe SEL, you'll find a spacious, comfortable cabin with up to 7 passengers. The SEL trim offers a well-rounded package of features, including cloth upholstery, durable and easy to clean, perfect for families. Heated front seats, adding comfort on cold days. 8 inches touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Wireless device charging, keeping your devices powered up on the go. Dual zone automatic climate control, allowing driver and passenger to personalize their comfort. Performance and efficiency. The 2026 Santa Fe SEL is powered by a capable 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that delivers 277 horsepower and 311 pounds-ft of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and offers a choice between front and all-wheel drive. While official EPA fuel economy figures for the 2026 model are not yet available, we can expect similar numbers to the 2025 model, which achieves an estimated 25 mpg combined with front-wheel drive. Safety features. Hyundai prioritizes safety, and the Santa Fe SEL comes standard with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies, including forward collision avoidance assist, helps prevent or mitigate frontal collisions. Lane keeping assist, helps keep the vehicle centered in its lane. Blind spot collision avoidance assist, warns of cars in your blind spot and can intervene to prevent a collision. Rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist, helps avoid collisions when backing up. Driver attention warning, monitors for signs of driver fatigue and suggests taking a break. Why choose the Santa Fe SEL? The 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe SEL offers a compelling combination of style, practicality, and value. Its unique design, comfortable interior, and firm performance make it an excellent choice for families and individuals seeking a versatile and well-equipped SUV. With its generous list of standard features and competitive pricing, the Santa Fe SEL will continue its success in the mid-size SUV market.